Hi y'all! Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I do Stitch Fix. It's a subscription of clothing and other items that you can get through the company. I do it every few months, not every month. You don't have to do it every month. It's $20 to have it, but it puts the $20 towards something that you keep out of the box. Things that you don't want, you send back free of charge. So let's see what I got. I haven't opened it. And hopefully I'm talking loud enough. I did notice last video it was kind of hard to hear me. I'm sorry about that. I have trouble speaking loud. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so they send you in your box a pre-labeled. You can just put all the stuff that you don't want back in this little envelope and put it in your mailbox or drop it off at the post office. Now they give you an envelope, and these are handpicked by a stylist that is specific for me. This right here is going to tell us how much everything is. We don't want to look at this right now. So let's see what she said to us this week. She says, "Happy Fix Day, Ashley. A new year brings the opportunity for fresh discoveries. I'm thrilled to be bringing some new styles to your Fix this month. I thought it might be a great time to introduce you to some new looks you might have never known you love. As we speed forward into the new year, I wanted to review your last fixes so I don't send any repeats. It looks like you can use an update on leggings." And then she goes into saying exactly which ones that she sent. And she even mentions about my wheelchair, making it easy for me to wear, which is super. I mean, that right there tells you that she knows it's me, and it's not a computer picking out your clothes. A computer wouldn't remember that I was in a wheelchair. So we'll take a look at this again in a minute once we look at all the items. Okay. So the first thing comes in this little bag here. And these are plastic solid canvas slip-on flats. Oh, they're tongs. And they're calling this a gray, but it looks on the browner side of gray. Super cute. They're size 5.5. I'm really small. So they're calling this ash canvas on the tag here. So those are cute. And it has little ridges on the bottom, which even though I don't want, if I stand up and I transfer, say I'm in the mall, and I use the public restroom, the floors are extra slippery versus here at my house. So the grips on the bottoms are really important for me. So I really like these. Let's see. Next, they wrap everything up in a tissue bag, or tissue. They're gonna just tear it open. This one is called Pink Clover. It's a dainty which I might be pronouncing that wrong. Elbow patch detailed knit top. The color is olive and it's an extra small. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. The elbows have this little patchwork right here. It's super soft. And it's kind of long. But that's okay. It does look a little big for me. Kind of. Yeah, a little big. So I'm not sure about that. But it is super cute. Next we have a Amari one pocket flannel top. Mellow Day. And it's calling it a white extra small. Again, super soft. And I really like this one. Definitely like this one. It is long, but this would be cute paired with jeans and a cute tank top underneath. That way you can have it open or closed. But super cute, super soft. I really like this one. I'll have to see the price afterwards to see if I'll keep it or not. Next we have, what is this? Let's find a tag here. Oh, tag, where are you? I don't see the tag. No. Alright. This is a Market and Spruce Kersey cowl neck drawstring hand knit top. Alright, let's see how it looks. It is gray, it's extra small. Ooh, I'm not sure about the neck, guys. I am not a turtleneck or anything like that type of neck girl. But let's see, what do y'all think? I can't even, where's the arms? Oh. Alright. Whoa. It's kind of heavy. Alright, so there it is. Looks to be kind of a 3/4 length sleeve. Oh, you hear Peaches in the background. It does have a drawstring on the bottom. But guys, this just doesn't mean, I know this one I'm not going to keep. I do not like the neck. I'm not even going to try this one on. This is a no. Definite no. But it is soft, but no. I can't do the neck. Alright, and the last item is a Joyce Color Block 7/8 length leggings. The color is teal green and it's an extra small. Okay. I'm all about leggings. I'm most likely going to keep these. So they are kind of a navy blue. They have a detailed on towards the knee area with pink. And a little bit different color blue on the bottom right here. Once I try these on, I probably, depending on the price again, these are the ones I will probably keep. These are really cute. I like these a lot. Okay, so that's all the items I received in my box. You get 5 items per box. Now, if you've never heard of Stitch Fix, there are some upsides and some downsides. This is not for those that are on a budget. Even though I am usually always on a budget, this is my splurge item that I do every couple of months. But if you're not on a budget, you want to save time, you're a busy mom, you don't like shopping, you want someone else to do it for you, then this is for you. Okay, so they give you these little style cards to show you what you can layer with each item that they give you. So with the flannel shirt, they give you this. So you see where I had mentioned I'd probably wear it with jeans, and they said to do that too. And then this is a skirt to make it more fancy. And you have the floral shirt right here. Match it with those 2 items. Outfits. Then this is the one with the leggings. They're matching it with that other gray top. I'm definitely not keeping that. Sorry guys, not keeping that one. And then they're matching it with like a sports bra with a tank. That's probably the way I'd go. It's really cute. I like doing this. I like getting things in the mail. So let's see what the damage is. Because you're paying a convenience for having someone else shop for you. This is my splurge item. Alright, so the Tom's shoes are $48. Not terrible, but for someone that doesn't walk, I'm not sure if I'm going to pay for that. That's a maybe. Next we have the leggings. Oh, those are $58. That seems a bit much for those leggings. Think about those. The next is the gray shirt. The drawstring with the neck thing that I really didn't like. That's $58. And then the floral pink with the little elbow patch, that's $40. And then the flannel top with the ones that I was saying that I was probably going to pair with some jeans, that's $46. So if I kept all of them, it would be $187.50. Then you get the $20 credit, so it would subtract that, and it would be $167.50. Now I'm not going to keep all of them. They give you 25% off credit for keeping everything. So I'm not going to get the credit, so I'll have to pay the regular price for probably 1 or 2 items, whichever I decide to keep. But you guys let me know which ones you think I should keep. And if you guys want to try it out for yourselves, check out the link below and you can grab it. Well, that's about it. I will let you guys know in the comments what I decide to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you.